Hello everyone, today we have 2011 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and we have the serve four-wheel drive sign, and when we scan the car we have C2220 for rear differential ECU internal, and that's an active ECU DTC, and we have two stored, which is it looks like a history or stored from the previous run scan. Rear differential measure the motor circuit out of range, and rear differential actuator initialization failure C1490. So let's go ahead step by step, and let's do initialization and relearn, and that should be it. Otherwise we're gonna do more investigation. So let's go back and clear fault code. I have the engine running. Okay, so all right, clear. Are you sure you want to clear? Yes, I want to clear. Okay, turn the engine off, ignition on. Okay, complete. So let's go back and read if we have still hard code, no DTC. So I prefer to do this before you're gonna do any learning, so you're not gonna have an issue. So go special function and LCD electronic limit slip differential, and we're gonna go hit quick learn performance function and change the state. So we have the bark already in the bark, the car in the bark already. All right, so performing system. Okay, the purpose of this function is for the ECU to learn differential component should be run after ECU component replacement. Okay, press OK to begin quick learn. This procedure will approximately 25 seconds to finish. So hit OK. Baseline clutch wear 0 degree, clutch adaptive status invalid, and clutch wear adaptive rear of change 1750 degrees. So now okay, adaptive throttle running. Running. Okay, as long as we have the base clutch wear 0 degrees, and let's go back and read full code. Read differential actuation and the system failure. So now we don't have the C2220. Let's go back and clear this. Print failure. Okay, launch printer, we don't need to do as a setup. All right, so clear. Okay, let's turn off the engine. Have ignition on. Okay, just to make sure we don't have any stored again. Okay, let's go back and do learning while the engine is running. Turn on the engine. Okay, special function, quick learn, this function TC. Okay, press OK to begin. Alright, so wait until this to be running. Okay guys, so now it's valid. and the baseline clutch wear is 314. So you need to run the vehicle for 25 seconds. Now we don't have the surface 4-wheel drive is off now, and we should be all right. It was a quick learn. And if you want to go ahead and see the graph, you're gonna hit the graph in the bottom of the screen. All right, so go hit the graph. You're gonna see the graph right here, where the baseline clutch wear 314, and clutch adaptive value is valid now. Before it was saying invalid, and the clutch wear adaptive value is 725. So you need to learn every time you're gonna have a wear or something and have the 4-wheel drive serve. You need to do this in order to quick learn. You can do this after clutch replacement or after ECU replacement. You need to do a quick learn, so you're not gonna have an issue with a 4-wheel drive. So, and I think it should be it. And it was a quick and easy, not even 5-minute job. Okay guys, see you in the next video then. Let's you know what, let's go back and see if we have any stored, since we don't have any lights in the dashboard. So let's go ahead and read if we have any stored read fault code. And now the engine is still running, no DTC. Let's turn off the engine, turn it back again, in case with the next ignition cycle you're gonna have an update. All right, so lost to communication stored, which is an old one, because that's environmental. So let's go back. That's environmental. So the environmental, you can do it by mode 6. So if you want to do mode 6, let me show it to you very quick. Okay, so clear fault code, engine off. Okay, so read fault code, environmental. Even the environmental now is okay. And let's run the engine. Even after we run the engine, we don't have anything in environmental. So we can do quick test, but we don't need to do this anyway. So module information. Okay, that's current. Make sure everything is correct. The VIN number is correct and everything. So, and the Bosch ECU. All right. So if you're gonna, I was talking about mode 6. So we can do a different video for mode 6. So mode 6 is good when you do any fix or any repair, and you need to see if this code gonna go back or not before you're gonna give the car back to the customer. So if you're gonna go back, yes, we need to do that. Exit, and you're gonna go EOBD. So when you do EOBD, alright, so select the access mode, yes, quick mode, scanning mode, okay, quick mode. So that's gonna give you all the protocol supported by the vehicle. For if that's data stream supported, so you have 44 block that's supported to the protocol. And mail status off, malfunction indication light, which is off. We don't have a check engine, or we don't have any malfunction light. DTC in this ECU is 0, redness completed 8, redness not completed 0, redness not supported, maybe it's 2 for 2 protocol. That this vehicle 2011 is not supported. So if you go yes, and over here you're gonna, it doesn't support, yeah, mode 6 test result onboard monitoring test. So over here mode 6 and mode 4 and mode 7, mode 3, mode 2, mode 1. So we're gonna do another video for this mode. So but if you're gonna go mode 6, So you can do this after each repair to make sure the customer will not gonna come back and gonna tell you, oh hey, that we have an issue over here. So and make sure everything, especially the one that you did the repair for, so is okay. All right, miss. Anyway, what we did is transmission and four-wheel drive work. We did not do anything related to the engine. So mode 6 basically is gonna be an engine monitor for everything. So it was a quick video, guys. For next one, I will hope and see you next one. We can do something else. Thank you.